Miguel Soler Jaufer, welcome to TOC Europe. You're the CEO of PACECO Group Europe. Tell us a little bit more, please, about the company.
Thank you for coming by. PACECO, we have presented this year and we are very happy to be in the show because we have been able to present our new products and very especially the hydrogen evolution of the RTG and our IT stuff apart from all the product range that we are selling and known for, like ship-to-shores, RTGs, softwares. But again, to repeat, very important, the first RTG in the world driven by hydrogen, 100%.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that, please? Where is it being used and what sort of application?
Yeah, the RTG with hydrogen has been a long development by PACECO Group, especially Mitsui in Japan, founded by the Japanese government, but also in collaboration with Los Angeles port, where basically the idea is to create, or was to create, a machine driven by hydrogen that has the same results, the same operational results as a traditional RTG. So that machine has been set up and brought to Los Angeles this year, has been started up a few weeks ago, and since then we are collecting data and to prove to the market that the RTG is 100% working as a traditional machine, and also to see what are the problems all around the hydrogen, because it's very clear the machine works with hydrogen, technology is ready, but maybe the infrastructures in ports or in the cities are not ready for the hydrogen. So that is basically the trial now for 1 or 2 years to prove the concept of hydrogen.
And is that attracting the attention of the delegates here at TOC Europe?
Definitely, yes. It's one of the big topics. Hydrogen is a big topic worldwide in the industry. And in our industry, it's the first RTG, so one of the bigger machines, RTG ship-to-shores. And the RTG was one, or is one of the big contaminators inside of a terminal. And that is the first time that the RTG is not connected to the electrical grid, but there is a new alternative of fuel for an RTG, and that is basically the big success. And there has been a lot of interest, a lot of companies passing by to ask about specific this project.
You also mentioned earlier you've got an IT stream that you're wishing to promote here. Can you tell us a little bit more about that as well, please?
We are since 30 years having our own TOS that basically started off in Spain. But now we are expanding quite heavily into the Americas with the TOS. So we are very happy, very successful with that one, apart from our TOS that we have also in Asia, made by Mitsui. So we see that the TOS alternatives in the market, we are one of the alternatives, not one of the big ones, but we are getting more and more respected because we have some additional values that maybe the big companies don't have. Multi-purpose, grain, liquids, whatever. We have involved them and are giving a more overall solution for terminals. And we are very happy because we have seen now a big feedback from the companies. And yeah, we're quite successful on that one and very happy about that. Yeah, and our PACECO Spider IoT, it's also still working, going on, and quite interesting the results that we get out from that sometimes were not expected.
What do you mean by that? Unexpected?
IoT, or let's say virtual or artificial intelligence, to get data, to get the digital twin, it's an interesting thing that is already a long topic in this business. But the thing is, how far were the market and especially the terminal owners ready to have this kind of information, how to use it and make it really profitable? So that's always the topic, automation, IoT. Everybody's playing with that nice games and everybody wants to have the technology, but how do you then afterwards really squeeze the pennies out of the technologies that you apply? And that's the funny thing. Yes, we have now an overflow of information. We have a lot of more data to really evaluate how we are working, but it's now the time to come to mature that technology, to really see how you make that technology worth some comeback on money or efficiency or benefits for the operator itself.
Great. Well, thank you very much for your time today, Miguel. I wish you all the very best, and thank you for joining us here at TOC Europe.
Thank you. Great show, and always welcome.